Shalom, Ambazonia. We'll get diplomatic updates for Giamfona for our war for independence. My name na Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King. News the commode camp for diplomatic cable. Say Mr. Francois Lonsini Fall, when na the special representative for the United Nations Secretary General and the head of the United Nations Regional Office for Central Africa, UNCA, dam submit some report for the United Nations Security Council regarding negotiation between Ambazonia and la République du Cameroon. This is come as the Switzerland initiative for be a middleman between la République du Cameroon and Ambazonia be done successfully be hijacked by the NGO, where they call them say HD. The Switzerland government it done fail for live up to the expectation for the major factions them for Ambazonia. There be done be a bilateral talk between the Switzerland government headed by the Swiss Foreign Ministry and the Ambazonian Governing Council for Norway. The meeting be hosted by the Norwegian government with the participation of one of the interested state party with the one join for the negotiation. For the meeting for Oslo between the Ambazonian Governing Council and the Switzerland government, the Ambazonian Governing Council it lay for the table a 12-point consideration before they go fit enter for inside the Swiss-led initiative. The Switzerland government it be fail for meet up with the expectations them for both the Ambazonian Governing Council with following the Oslo bilateral talk. A neutral party, an NGO in the United States of America, paved the way. Foundation, if we decide for join the Swiss initiative for inside Switzerland for be an observer. Paved the way foundation be submitted of the observations them. We still raise the same questions regarding the HD, a conduct for the Swiss-led process for mediation. Paved the way foundation end up distancing itself away from the Swiss-led initiative. If fit take a time for look behind, we go see say the other negotiation with the Ambazonian, their international partners, be done successfully secure them for Europe, will be handled by the European Institute of Peace, be bring together all the various factions of Ambazonia to the table. All other state parties them, where they be interested for step in and facilitate mediation. They be involved as well. We get 3 state parties them where they be line up for join the negotiation process between Ambazonia and La République du Cameroon through the European Institute of Peace. Now it be clear for people their eye, say the Switzerland government be facilitate the HDE action for sabotage the genuine peace initiative by the European Institute of Peace, which will bring a fair negotiation between both sides. Ambazonians need to cross their finger and continue to fight tirelessly with the mindset say freedom is not be given, is supposed to be taken by the oppressed people them, who will be forced to put out this communique because the major leader them for the revolution, the Ambazonian Governing Council and its partners, them there for consultation, and they go bring out a press release subsequently. This still remains in the diplomatic cable. No official press release have been made. These are all those indications coming in from the diplomatic communication between the international partners and the AGC that have been leaked through social media. It be how it be, La République du Cameroon, they go still be aware for such submission for the Security Council. Why would they urge our people them for be calm and for understand say the diplomatic cable them is still be sketchy because no official statement never be made, but if we confirm for now, say the submission that already be made and we'll get a very good idea of the content and the proposition for the submission we did for the United Nations Security Council. According to our diplomatic sources, on the 13th of June, the submission will be made public and the recommendations them will be made public as well. Make us stay tuned. As soon as we get these diplomatic cables, the details we will bring them for now. our top diplomats in the Ambazonian Governing Council and our international partners them, including OMPO, be heavily involved for the matter for make sure say me the interest of Ambazonian state it be protected. So we want complete independence and freedom from La République du Cameroon. We need to intensify the military operations to liberate ourselves and to resist occupation of our homeland, Ambazonia. May our liberation be short. May our independence, democracy, and freedom be in Ambazonia forever. Capo Daniel, signing out.